friends, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today we are making colors. This is an color and crystal science. It is very simple. So we are going to make colors from three primary colors. Those primary colors are yellow, blue and red. These are three primary colors. When we mix these three colors, we can get secondary colors which are different, like pink, green, purple, brown. These all are secondary colors. So let's begin. So for this, the equipments are three glasses. I have filled them half. All of them have filled half. Then we need the primary colors, which are yellow, blue and red, and a stirring stick. So let's begin. So now in this 3 cups we have to add, in 1 cup we have to add 3 to 4 drops of red color, like this. In the second cup I am adding 3 to 4 drops of yellow color. And in the third cup I am adding 3 to 4 drops of blue color. And now we have to mix this well with a stirring stick, like this. This is red color, first primary color. And the blue color. Can you see red, blue and yellow colored solution? These are primary colors. Now we have to add 3 to 4 drops of yellow color in the red cup. Like this, and we have to mix it well with a stirring stick. Now I have mixed the yellow color in the red color and we have got the result. This is a secondary color, that is orange. Similarly, now we have to add 3 to 4 drops of red color in the blue cup, like this, and 2 to 3 drops of blue color in the yellow cup, like this. And now we have to mix them, like this. Now this result we got is purple and green color. We got purple by mixing blue and red color, and green by mixing yellow and blue color. So now from mixing the primary colors, we got the 3 secondary colors, that is orange, purple and green. Now from these 2 colors, orange and purple, we'll make a new color and we'll see which color do we get. So let's mix. So we are mixing this orange and purple color. So we'll mix it with a stirring stick. So you can see which color did we get. It is brown color we got from mixing purple and orange. Did you see new colors are created by mixing the 2 colors together? What colors did you create? Did you see a shade of brown was formed on mixing the orange and purple solution? So the science behind this is the primary colors cannot be created by mixing other colors, but they can be combined in different proportions to make all the colors. The colors are made by mixing 2 primary colors are called secondary colors. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.